Hi friends, today I will show you how to block someone on Discord. So here you can see that me and Disruptor have been chatting, but he is being very annoying and I want to block him. To do this, there are three methods. I can click on his profile picture from the chat. I can click on his name or profile picture from the member screen on the right, or I can right click his name and go to profile, which will open his full profile. From any of these three options, I can click the three dots at the top right and click on block. To confirm, you click on block again. And now, as you can see, he has been blocked. All of his messages will show as blocked unless you click on show from which you can see his messages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.